Hello excursionistas! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this video, magluluto ako ng crispy kangkong. So please keep on watching! So these are the ingredients for our crispy kangkong. We have 1 bunch of kangkong, we have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 egg, 1 cup of cornstarch, then we have also salt and pepper for seasoning, then 1 cup of water. Yung ginamit ko dito is yung standard na 1 cup, tapos oil for cooking. So magsisimula na tayo! So the first procedure is to prepare our butter. So we have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of cornstarch. Then we have the salt and pepper for seasoning. So i-mix lang natin. After mixing the dry ingredients, i-add na natin yung water natin. So yung water na gagamitin natin is yung cold para meron po siyang impact sa ating pagprito mamaya. Then the egg. Haluin lang ng maigi gamit ang wire whisk. So our butter now is ready. So let's proceed to our next procedure. So lulutuin natin ang kangkong under low heat. Bago natin ito prituhin, i-dip muna natin ito sa ating ginawang butter. So ito na nga ang crispy kangkong. Sana may natutunan kayo sa aking bagong video, at kung meron man, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!